Hey everyone, welcome back to Hannah's Happy Home. So in this video, you guys are going to get to see us move from the rental into the house that we've been renovating. We bought a house about 2 months ago, and over these last 2 months, we've been working on renovating it, and we are nowhere near done. We've got a long ways to go, but the house is renovated enough for us to be able to move into it. This packing and moving process took us a couple of days because it was only the two of us packing up and moving everything, but thankfully our new house is not that far away from our rental, so we didn't even bother getting a trailer to hook up to the truck. We just used both of the trucks and just made several trips back and forth. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoy this little moving video. I was gonna make it vlog style like I've been doing with our home renovation series, but it just didn't happen that way. It was a very crazy, busy, and stressful couple of days. I thought that I was prepared for this move, but I guess that I wasn't. We had been working so hard at the house all that week till late at night to make the house ready to move into. So the rental got quite messy during that week, and so when it came time to move, it was just a very crazy couple of days because I didn't get to pack up as much as I had wanted to. What was nice though about this move compared to our last move was that we left a lot of stuff packed up and stored in the storage room at the rental because we knew that we were going to be hopefully moving in a couple of months, and so we just left a lot of stuff packed up, made it so much easier. I really didn't have that much stuff to pack up inside, and if the house would have been relatively clean, it would have made it so much easier. That's what had made it so stressful, but there really wasn't a ton to pack up in there. But here we are getting the boys' bed set up in their bedroom, and we did have some difficulty getting this thing put back together, which you guys aren't seeing here. I just turned off the camera because we realized that we had put everything on backwards, and it ended up taking forever to put this bed together, but we finally got it together, and the boys are just sleeping so good in their new room. They absolutely love it. It's so cozy in there. They play in there all the time, and they've been sleeping in, something that they never did at the rental. They would always wake up really early. As you saw there, the boys' room was a disaster. Before we started packing it up, it was so messy, so me and my husband quickly went through everything before we started packing it all up and moving it out. And that is the number one tip that I could give anyone before you start packing up your house. Have it all clean and have everything put in its place, and then start packing it up. It's going to make it so much easier. We were just in a special situation with trying to do this house renovation. Life had just gotten so crazy. that you guys stay tuned because hopefully the next video on my channel after this moving video will be the 10th episode in the home renovation series that I've been filming. If you haven't seen all of the 9 episodes that I filmed so far, be sure that you go back and watch those so you can see how far this house has come. It's still going to go a lot farther. We still haven't even touched the outside of it, and we still have to do all of the bathrooms and the laundry room and the kitchen. There's just so much more that needs to be done, so be sure that you're subscribed so that you don't miss out on all of those home renovation videos. And this was that storage room that I was talking about that we were able to store all of that stuff in at the rental. Very handy to have. I'm so glad that we had the space to be able to store everything. This king mattress just barely fit in the back of the truck, but thankfully it did fit and we were able to haul it up there. And I just love our master bedroom. It's such a cozy, calm space. I love that we have the door to go outside. I just cannot wait to decorate each room in this house, but first things first, we have to finish all of the renovating before I can start decorating. So just stay tuned. We've got lots of videos coming in the future. So there you guys got a tiny little peek at the floors and the rest of that beam that we put up. You guys will get to see more details of all of that in the next home renovation series, the episode 10. So stay tuned for that, but you guys did get a little sneak peek there. So now we are on to the next day. I'm not sure actually how many days this drags out for, but on this day my husband went back to work, and so I was moving the last of the stuff myself, but there really wasn't too much left. It was just like the clothes in our closets and then some dishes and things in the kitchen cabinets, lamps on the wall, different things like that. So I was just getting the last of the stuff from the house, just getting it ready and cleaned for the final walkthrough with the realtor that's in charge of our rental. And after the walkthrough, if everything looks great, then we will get our deposit back. While I was grabbing the last couple of things and getting everything cleaned, I was on the phone with a couple of different people, the realtor, and then some different companies like the electric, the water, the internet, being sure that all of that gets shut off so that we don't continue to get charged. There's so many things that go into moving, having to change your address for everywhere. I had to stop by the post office to change that and be sure that if anything comes to this address, gets forwarded to the next address. I hope that you guys enjoy getting to see a little glimpse at our packing and moving. If you did, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. That way you don't miss out on all of the videos at the new house as we continue renovating it. And then when I start decorating it, organizing it, cleaning it, just be sure that you're subscribed so that you don't miss out. And thank you so much for watching. It means so much to me and my family. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.